Hello and welcome in the Intuitive Kitchen. And today we're making a special dish again. And I have here some grains, and it's spelt and oat. We will mill in a minute for flour and then making a tortilla pie. It's kind of an intuitive creation we're making today. So I will go ahead and use the stone mill, put this in and set it on fine. So, and here we have it. It's really nice, beautiful, fresh flour and very nice and fine. And then we're putting it into here, keeping some for rolling it out, and then put a little salt in. This is real salt.
Right, from Utah.
Yeah, I like that the best. And we mix this up a little bit, and then have to go slowly on the water. We like to make a nice dough which we can roll out, so it can be not too humid and not too dry. We need the right consistency.
It really smells good. You can have fresh flour in the water.
Yeah, and then we can let it sit. And now the dough can rest. And so now we go for the filling, and we have everything here. We have some walnuts, we have some boiled already. They're cooked in one of our pans with a little water. Sweet potatoes, we have some garlic and some zucchinis. And we will grate everything with that kind of a fine drum. So first we're mashing of the sweet potatoes, or interchange it with some tofu. And then it's more quiche-like. It comes out very fine, and that's what we like, to make some kind of a yummy mass. With
the walnuts.
yeah, great. And you can interchange. You can also use some cabbage if you like, or whatever vegetables you have, you can put in the fillings. If you don't have something, just stay intuitive. So, and here we have everything grated, and we mix it up and put a little bit of salt. Yeah. And then some turmeric. Makes a nice color. And the important thing is now to mix it really well.
A little black pepper. Goes well with the turmeric.
Yes, it's kind of nice having a little pepper with it. Look at this nice mass. This will be the filling, waiting till we have the tortillas ready. This is a Salad Master pan with a nice glass lid, and to not have to use a non-stick pan, which they're toxic. I mean, I couldn't find, I researched it for days and weeks. So there is a way of using surgical steel, without sticking, but one has to cure it every time. So I put the fire on and make it on very low, and it's better to actually use a tiny little bit of coconut oil than having these toxic pans. That's my opinion.
So and you put a little oil on the tissue.
Yeah. So this we leave on very low. Now the curing goes like this, that one heats it up very slowly. And then before I put the tortilla in, I will heat up more. So now we just let it sit like this. Make 2. And we can already preform. We like to have them round. You roll it out till it has the right shape, the size of the pan. So let's see, this should be about the right size.
Now it's on high.
Yeah.
Good.
About the size.
Beautiful.
So now this can cook.
No dough conditioners or chemicals of any kind. It's just really...
And this is a dish you can prepare early and then let it sit, and it gets really nice. The whole tortillas get permeated with the juice of the vegetables and the spices. And now we turn it because we don't need it totally cooked.
Wow, that's
because
beautiful.
we'll cook the veggies. So we kind of half cook. If I make tortillas to roll up, I like to have it a little bit brown. It's really nice. The taste comes out of the flour. Get the other one.
Here's number 2.
Yeah, it's a meditation. It's a real meditation. So now we'll turn this one and turn it off for a moment. And you can also put some buckwheat in the flour mix or some millet. Everything is possible. So now we didn't finish up cooking it on the other side because it will be cooked some more. So this is that nice mass here. The colors are so gorgeous. And then we put this one on top. Maybe I put it the other way.
Beautiful.
And now comes the cooking. Put it on again. And I would say on medium to low, maybe half an hour. I will tell you a little later. See you again. So here we are again in the intuitive kitchen with the finished tortilla pie. And it has been on the stove for about 30 minutes on low, and first on high and then on low. And then I covered it up to kind of get really everything penetrated, all the good juices. And this is like peppermint from the garden. And I put some toasted sesame seeds on top and a little bit of paprika powder. So I wish you bon appetit!